Right now, you're paying for tools AI replaced years ago, and this video will show you every single one. Stay until the end where I answer the 3 most common questions about this. The hidden bill. You are paying for financial advice you never needed to buy. Right now, AI tools that cost nothing are doing everything your paid apps and advisors do better and faster. The advisor math. The average American spends $250 to $500 per year on financial services. That money could have been invested. Over 20 years, it would have grown into thousands. The app trap. Budgeting apps charge you monthly to track your own money. You're paying a subscription to see what you already earned. AI does this for free, and it thinks ahead. The knowledge gap. I don't understand finance well enough to use AI. That's exactly what financial service companies want you to believe. The less you know, the more they charge. The free advisor. AI doesn't charge by the hour. It doesn't have a minimum account size. It doesn't sell you products for commissions. It just answers every question, every time, for free. The overnight shift. 3 years ago, this wasn't possible. Today, AI can analyze your spending, project your savings, simulate debt payoff scenarios, and explain every financial term you've ever been afraid to ask. The complexity myth. Financial advisors profit from making money feel complicated. The simpler you think it is, the less they earn. AI cuts through every layer of complexity and gives you the plain truth. The waiting room. Your financial advisor is available during business hours, by appointment, for a fee. AI is available at 3 a.m. on your phone with no appointment, no minimum balance, and no judgment. The commission problem. Most financial advisors earn money when they sell you certain products. Their advice is not neutral. It follows their paycheck. AI has no commission. It has no product to sell you. The permission card. You don't need a degree to use AI for your finances. You don't need a minimum balance. You don't need anyone's permission. The only thing standing between you and financial clarity is not knowing where to start. Question 1. What exactly can AI do with my money that I am currently paying someone else to do? The budget builder. AI build a complete monthly budget in minutes, personalized to your income, your bills, your debt, and your goals. No spreadsheet, no app subscription. Just ask and it's done. The debt calculator. Tell AI your balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. It will calculate your exact payoff timeline, model the snowball versus avalanche method, and tell you which saves more money. The tax explainer. AI explains every tax concept in plain language. Deductions, credits, brackets, self-employment tax. Not advice, clarity. Most Americans overpay because they never understood what they could claim. The investment teacher. AI explains index funds, ETFs, compound interest, dollar cost averaging, and risk tolerance. The same concepts advisors charge to explain. You learn it once and own it forever. The spending analyst. Paste your bank statement into AI. Ask it to categorize, analyze, and find waste. It will identify patterns you've never seen and tell you exactly where the money is going. The negotiation coach. AI writes the exact scripts you need to negotiate your bills, dispute credit card fees, ask for a rate reduction, or challenge an insurance charge. You just make the call. The savings strategist. Tell AI your income and goals. It will design a savings strategy, emergency fund timeline, target amounts, and optimal account types. The same thing a fee-based planner charges hundreds to do. The credit advisor. AI explains credit score mechanics, dispute letter strategies, which cards to pay first, and how to build credit from nothing. All the things credit repair services charge $100 a month to handle. The retirement planner. Give AI your age, income, and retirement goal. It will run scenarios, what you need to save monthly, what accounts to use, and what your actual number is. The financial therapist. Artificial intelligence, AI, will not judge your spending. It will not shame you. It will answer every question you were too embarrassed to ask a real advisor and give you a plan instead of a lecture. Question 2. How do I actually start using AI to manage my finances today for free? The first prompt. Open any artificial intelligence tool. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Type, I earn X dollars a month. My bills are X dollars. I have X dollars in debt. Build me a budget. That one sentence starts everything. The statement audit. Copy and paste your last month's transactions into AI. Ask, categorize this spending and find where I can cut. Most people who do this find $200 to $400 in unnecessary spending immediately. The debt map. Ask AI, I have these debts, list them. Which method pays them off fastest and saves the most interest? It runs the math instantly. No spreadsheet, no calculator, no advisor. The savings command. Ask AI, build me a 12-month savings plan to reach X dollars. My income is X dollars and fixed expenses are X dollars. It builds the timeline, milestones, and month-by-month targets. The credit fix prompt. Ask AI, my credit score is X, and I want to reach X in 12 months. What are the exact steps? It gives you a prioritized action list for free right now. The investment start. Ask AI, I have X dollars and want to start investing. I'm age, risk tolerance is what do I do first? It walks you through the exact starting moves. The bill audit. Ask AI, here are my monthly subscriptions and bills. List them. What should I cut, negotiate, or replace with free alternatives? It tells you exactly what to cancel and what to keep. The emergency fund formula. Ask AI, how much emergency fund do I need? My monthly expenses are X dollars. It calculates your number, explains the reasoning, and tells you the fastest realistic path to get there. The side income finder. Ask AI, based on these skills, list them. What are the top 3 ways I can earn an extra $500 a month? It returns real, actionable options matched to what you already know. The weekly check-in. Every Sunday, paste your week's spending into AI and ask, am I on track? Where did I overspend? What do I adjust next week? This is your free financial advisor every week. Question 3. What does a fully AI-powered personal finance system actually look like? The clarity system. People running AI-powered finances know exactly where every dollar goes every week. Not roughly, exactly. Clarity is the foundation of every financial upgrade that follows. The zero surprise life. When AI is fully working in your finances, unexpected expenses stop being crises. You modeled them. You planned for them. The emergency fund is built because AI told you how long it would take. The debt countdown. AI-powered debt management means you know your exact payoff date, not eventually, a month and a year. That date changes how you make every financial decision between now and then. The free education loop. Every financial question you have, AI answers immediately. Every term you don't understand, AI explains. You are learning financial literacy in real time, for free, faster than any course. The negotiation wins. People using AI for finances negotiate everything. Bills, rates, fees, salaries. AI writes the scripts, you make the calls. The savings compound every single month. The investing entry. Once the leak is sealed and debt is managed, AI walks you into investing. Index funds, Roth IRA, employer match. Step by step, the same path financial advisors charge hundreds to show you. The income expansion. AI helps you identify skills, side income models, and freelance opportunities matched to what you already know. The people using this aren't just cutting expenses, they're growing the income side. The tax optimization. AI-powered finances include understanding what you can deduct, when to contribute to tax-advantaged accounts, and how to legally reduce what you owe. This alone pays for every hour you spend learning it. The compounding advantage. Every person using AI to manage their finances is compounding faster than the person paying advisors for the same information, 6 months delayed, filtered through a commission, billed by the hour. The permission is yours. The tools exist. They are free. They are available right now on the device you are holding. The only thing that was ever in the way was not knowing it was possible. Now you do. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos.